Windows with broken sash cords can seriously mess up how your double-hung windows work, but fixing them yourself is way easier than you think. So, first off, you gotta understand what sash cords do. They basically help your window sashes move up and down smoothly by balancing the weight. When those cords snap or fray, the window won't stay open or might slam shut, which is super annoying and kinda dangerous. To replace them, start by carefully removing the window sash. You'll probably need to pry off the inside stops or trim. Next, find the pulleys inside the window frame and take out the old cords. Grab some new sash cord that matches the thickness of the old ones, thread it through the pulleys, and tie knots to secure it to the sash weights. These weights are usually hidden behind the frame, so be gentle when pulling them out. Once you've got everything reassembled and tested, your window should slide like new again. Oh, and don't forget to oil the pulleys a bit for that smooth glide. One of the biggest mistakes when handling double-hung windows with broken sash cords is using the wrong type or thickness of replacement cord, which can throw off the balance and make the window hard to open or close. Make sure you measure before buying. Another common issue is not properly securing the knots on the sash weights. If those come loose, your cords will snap again fast, so double knot and test the tension before putting everything back. Lastly, people often forget to check or replace worn pulleys while they're at it, but worn pulleys can cause friction and wear down new cords quicker, so swap those out if they look rusty or sticky. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff about window repairs or any home fix-ups. Plus, contractors get a chance to connect with folks needing their skills, making it easier to build a steady stream of work.